Today, we're going to take a look at some of the most extraordinary custom-made trucks from around Europe. We're diving deep into the world of stunning modifications, intricate designs, and award-winning masterpieces that define the pinnacle of truck customization. Watch until the end if you want to see this amazing Scania Torpedo 660 ST. But now, let's begin with this remarkable Scania 560R, custom built for the Danish company Jensen Transport. This truck has undergone a dramatic transformation. Initially delivered in standard white, it has been enhanced with side skirts, a custom-built rear end, a full stainless steel door, vertical exhaust pipes, and a distinctive paint job that truly sets it apart. Inside, it has received a comprehensive refurbishment, including a luxurious plush interior. A year ago, the same company had this truck delivered for their 25-year celebration. What a truck! Now, let's head to Finland. Here we have the Scania 650S, known as the Iceman edition. This truck is exceptionally crafted, with over 2,500 hours dedicated to its paintwork. The theme is an intricately detailed tribute to F1 driver Kimi Räikkönen. Every aspect has been thoroughly revamped, including a fully painted trailer. This impressive truck won the Oslo Motor Show in 2021 and continues to operate in Finland and Norway. This masterpiece is truly one of a kind, wouldn't you agree? Next, we have this award-winning Volvo FH16 from Henrik Goldager. After 6 months of intense work, artist Ray Hill has completed the decoration of Henrik Goldager's new Volvo FH. The truck, named Sweet Eye Candy, is a tribute to Marilyn Monroe. Approximately 2 kilometers of gold leaf in a 10-centimeter strip were used in its decoration. The truck itself is a Volvo FH540 6x2 T-pusher tractor with a 540 horsepower engine. Despite its stunning paintwork, the vehicle is not just for show. It will be used for regular transport operations in Henrik Goldager's transport company. Over the years, Danish hauler Henrik Goldager has commissioned several wild and unique trucks, earning numerous awards across Europe. Next, we have this unique white and blue DAF XG Plus 530, built by JV Truck Styling for the Czech company HP Transped. The truck's main theme is inspired by motorcycle racing legend Valentino Rossi. The truck features a completely redesigned rear end with side skirts, decking, and chrome wheels. The interior has also been entirely revamped, boasting stylish overhead cabinets, leather upholstery, and much more. Nothing short of impressive. This brings us to another impressive truck, the Scania 560S from JojoTrans. This truck has just returned from Truckfest 2024, one of Slovakia's largest truck festivals. The Scania truly stands out with its stunning gold and brown color scheme. Inside, an outstanding upholstery job has been done, with all the interior finished in beautiful brown leather tones. What a remarkable job! The Scania Torpedo is not a factory model, but a special conversion by the Dutch company Vlastuin Truckopbouw, which specializes in transforming Scania and Volvo trucks into torpedo models. This truck comes with numerous options, including a meticulously finished chassis, a custom rear bumper, and aluminum side plates with stainless steel strips. It is also equipped with a hydraulic set and PTO. The paint job in the tasteful colors of Noll and Fils was expertly done by Van Windkoop. Noll and Fils also have regular Scania trucks in the same stunning specifications and colors. This truck is simply breathtaking. If you have any trucks you think we should feature in a future video, please comment below and let us know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more trucking content.